Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of architecture and interior design. It refers to a secondary roof or layer that is installed below the main roof, often used to conceal utilities or improve acoustics. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as false ceiling, false ceiling, full ling, false ceiling. False ceiling is crucial in modern interiors, helping to hide wiring, improve room acoustics, and enhance aesthetic appeal. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about false ceiling, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.